Welcome to The Real Money Game, how to get rich when you have nothing. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, wondering if there's a way to break free from financial limitations? This video is your gateway to a new beginning, a motivational journey to discover the secrets of building wealth from scratch. We challenge the status quo and ask, is it possible to achieve financial independence with zero resources? The answer is a resounding yes. Here, we set the stage for transforming your mindset and taking control of your financial destiny. Ready to unlock your potential? Let's dive into the strategies that will guide you on this exciting path to prosperity. Your journey to many of us start with nothing, facing the daunting challenge of financial limitations. It's a familiar story across the United States, where countless individuals feel trapped in a cycle of financial struggles. Perhaps you're living paycheck to paycheck, burdened by debts, or simply unable to save. The feeling of being stuck can be overwhelming, but starting from nothing can be your greatest opportunity. The key lies in a mindset shift. The first step toward building wealth isn't about having resources, it's about transforming how you see your potential. This isn't just a motivational catchphrase, it's a proven strategy for financial independence. By reimagining our challenges as opportunities, we can unlock paths previously unseen. Embrace this challenge as the pivotal moment where everything changes. As we explore these ideas further, consider how you can apply them to your own life. It's time to shift gears and embrace the mindset that will lead you to wealth. Stay tuned for practical strategies in the next segment. The journey to wealth begins with a profound shift in mindset. Many believe financial barriers are insurmountable, but the magic happens when we view obstacles as opportunities. Imagine transforming your perspective, seeing potential where others see limitations. This mindset shift is not just a concept, it's a powerful tool that unlocks new opportunities. Consider the stories of those who've successfully altered their mindsets. They started with nothing but a belief in changing their circumstances. They embraced a new way of thinking, opening themselves up to possibilities. From struggling financially to building a pathway to wealth, their transformation began with a single thought: I can do this. The first step to wealth is believing you can achieve it. By embracing this new mindset, you pave the way for growth. Remember, the key to overcoming financial barriers lies not in the resources you have, but in the belief that you can create. Let's explore strategies to turn this mindset into actionable wealth building tactics. Transitioning from belief to action is where true success lies. Let's dive into the heart of wealth building strategies. Imagine standing at the crossroads of financial freedom, where every decision paves the path to independence. The journey begins with education, an indispensable tool in your arsenal. Financial literacy is more than just understanding numbers, it's about making informed choices that align with your goals. Next, consider the power of smart investments. Investing isn't reserved for the wealthy, it's a strategic tool accessible to anyone willing to learn. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or starting a small business, investments can be your gateway to exponential growth. Start small and scale as you learn. Don't forget the importance of making smart choices daily. These choices form the backbone of your wealth-building journey. Prioritize long-term benefits over short-term pleasures. From budgeting wisely to leveraging technology for financial planning, every step counts. In this segment, we are crafting a mindset shift, a transformation that turns obstacles into opportunities. With education and smart investments, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. These strategies empower you to take control, providing a roadmap to navigate the complexities of wealth building. Visualize the change these tactics can create in your life. Picture a future where financial struggles are replaced by freedom and choice. This is your opportunity to redefine what's possible. Stay with us as we discuss actionable steps to implement immediately. These strategies are your toolkit for success, propelling you from planning to action. The next segment will guide you on setting tangible goals and tracking progress effectively. Welcome to the pivotal moment in your wealth-building journey. You've learned the strategies, embraced the mindset shifts, and now it's time to transform knowledge into action. Start by setting clear, achievable financial goals. Picture where you want to be financially and chart a path to get there. Tracking your progress daily isn't just a task, it's a commitment to your future. Identify small, actionable steps you can take right now. Maybe it's creating a budget, opening a savings account, or investing a few dollars. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. Consistency is your ally. It's the persistent push that transforms dreams into reality. While the journey demands effort, your dedication and persistence fuel your success. Imagine the satisfaction of watching your financial landscape transform, day by day. Now is the time to act. Your path to success is laid out before you, waiting for your first step. Take it with confidence. Next, we'll explore how to stay motivated when challenges arise, and how others have turned obstacles into opportunities. Stay tuned for stories of resilience and triumph that will inspire your own journey. In life's journey towards financial success, obstacles are inevitable. But every challenge can be a stepping stone if you choose to see it that way. Let's address some common setbacks that often hinder progress. Whether it's debt, lack of resources, or feeling overwhelmed, these barriers can seem insurmountable. But remember, many have faced similar hurdles and emerged victorious. Take the inspiring story of Jane, who started with nothing but determination. She faced rejection after rejection in her career. Yet, through resilience and a refusal to give up, she built her own business empire, proving that persistence pays off. Or consider Michael, who was drowning in debt. He chose to tackle it head-on, learning financial literacy and implementing smart budgeting strategies. Today, he's not just debt-free but also financially independent. These stories remind us that staying motivated is key. Resilience is not just about surviving challenges but thriving despite them. Embrace setbacks as opportunities for growth. Keep pushing forward, and remember, success is often just one more step beyond failure. Now, let's explore how envisioning your success can drive you to take that crucial first step towards wealth. As we draw this journey to a close, reflect on how far you've come. From grappling with financial challenges to embracing a mindset of possibility, you've unlocked the potential for real change. The path to financial independence is not just a dream, it's an achievable reality. Picture yourself thriving, free from financial struggle. Today is the day to take that crucial first step towards wealth. Every small action builds momentum towards a prosperous future. You have the tools, strategies, and mindset to succeed. Envision your success and let that vision propel you forward. Your journey to wealth begins now. Embrace it, live it, and watch as your dreams transform into reality. The possibilities are endless when you decide to start today. So, what are you waiting for? Your future awaits.